Hi children, இன்னைக்கு நாம Social Science Unit 2 Physical Features of Tamil Nadu அந்த லெசனோட evaluation part தான் பார்க்க போறோம். First we have choose the correct answer. First question, which wildlife sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu? Mudumalai Wildlife Sanctuary. Second question, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats meet at dash Nilgiri Hills. Third one, the topmost branches of trees form a chain called dash canopy. Fourth one, Tamil Nadu experiences dash tropical climate. Next one, fifth question, dash are found in the places where there is heavy rainfall. Evergreen forests. Second Roman letter, match the following. We have 5 question children here. First one, mountain ranges in Tamil Nadu, Western and Eastern Ghats. Second one, Suruli waterfalls, Theni. Third one, India's first sea bridge, Pamban Bridge. Fourth one, Pichavaram, mangrove forest. Fifth one, Tamil Nadu's coastline. Third longest in India. Next we have third Roman letter, true or false. Here also we have 5 questions children. First one, Tamil Nadu is the 11th largest state in India. True. Second one, Tamil Nadu is located in the west of India. False. Third one, Kurunji flower blossom once in 2 years. False. Fourth one, Tamil Nadu experiences hot and humid weather throughout the year. True. Fifth one, deciduous forests do not shed leaves. False. So next we have answer in brief question. Answer in brief. First one, name the state that Tamil Nadu shares boundary with. This answer is in page number 107. So this is the answer children. Andhra Pradesh on the north, Karnataka on the northwest, and then Kerala on the west. So you can just mention Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Kerala. Okay. Yes. This is the answer. Andhra Pradesh on the north, Karnataka on the northwest, Kerala on the west. These 3 states' name you have to mention. This is the answer for the first brief children. Second question, what are the different landscapes of Tamil Nadu? This answer is in page number 108. The landscapes of Tamil Nadu can be divided into 4 categories, namely mountains, plateaus, plains, coasts. Third one, what are the different plains in Tamil Nadu? This answer is in page number 109. So, plains in Tamil Nadu can be divided into river plains and coastal plains. I'll repeat the answer. Plains in Tamil Nadu can be divided into river plains and coastal plains. This is the answer for the third one. Okay. Fourth question, name the waterfalls in Tamil Nadu. This answer is in page number 110. Here we have waterfalls of Tamil Nadu. In the topic, so you can see A. Okkenekkal waterfalls, B. Kutralam waterfalls, C. Surili waterfalls, D. Vattaparai waterfalls. Okay, I'll repeat again. Okkenekkal waterfalls, Kutralam waterfalls, Surili waterfalls, Vattaparai waterfalls. This is the answer for the fourth brief. Fifth question, describe the climate of Tamil Nadu. This answer is in page number 111, that is 111. Here you can see the answer, climate of Tamil Nadu under this case subheading. The first line, Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate and there is very little difference between summer and winter. This is the answer, children. Tamil Nadu experiences tropical climate and there is very little difference between summer and the winter. This is the answer for the fifth brief. Next question, differentiate evergreen forest and deciduous forest. This answer you can see in page number 112. So this is the answer, evergreen forest, deciduous forest. Okay, so you can start from here. The trees in these forests have leaves that are always green. In Tamil Nadu, we find evergreen forest in the western Ghats of Tirunelveli, Kanyakumari, okay, the Nilgiris and Coimbatore. Deciduous forest, the trees in these forests shed their leaf during the dry season. These forests are usually found near the evergreen forest. They generally grow in the lower region of the hills. This is the answer, children. This is the difference between Madri. You can even write in a tabular column. அப்படியும் நம்ம எழுதலாம். ஓகேங்களா? Yes? Okay. Thank you, children. Next video ல new topic ல நான் உங்களை பார்க்குறேன். Bye.